Finding reliable and long-lasting powertrains in pickup trucks is increasingly difficult. While some, like the Ram 1500's 3.0-liter Hurricane i6, face reliability issues, others prioritize durability. Here are 7 pickups with engines built for the long haul. Number 7. Ford F-150. An established standard in the pickup truck market, the Ford F-150 is still incredibly capable and dependable. The F-150, a full-size pickup, is a popular option for anyone looking for a versatile workhorse since it balances performance and dependability. With more reliable powertrains and a sturdy suspension system that is simple to use and long-lasting, the F-150 fares better in terms of dependability than rivals like the Ram 1500. Additionally noteworthy, the truck's electronics are among the best in its class. Because of its conventional V8 smoothness and dependability, the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 is a highly recommended engine option. It offers a simple and reliable option by avoiding excessively complicated mechanisms in contrast to certain other engines. The 5.0-liter still provides enough power for the majority of applications, albeit having a somewhat lesser towing capability than the 3.5-liter EcoBoost. But there are some issues with the F-150's alternative engine choices. For example, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 has a wet belt system that can cause the timing belt to wear out too soon, among other dependability problems. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is a twin-turbo engine that produces a lot of torque and horsepower, but it has a more dependable timing chain. Despite its strength, the complexity of turbocharged engines may make it unsuitable for long-term ownership. Number 6. Ford Ranger. One of Ford's most calculated choices for the American market has turned out to be the Ranger. Despite receiving mixed reviews at first, the updated Ranger has gradually become more well-liked because of its amazing powers and useful design. The Ranger's ability to tow up to 7,500 pounds is one of its best qualities. It can even compete with certain entry-level full-size trucks. The Ranger is a great choice for anyone who require a strong work truck without the higher price of a full-size vehicle because of its sturdy bed space and adaptable design. Its well-regarded 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine is the key to its success. One of the most dependable engines in its class, this turbocharged 4-cylinder produces remarkable power and torque while retaining remarkable dependability. It has a solid reputation among mid-size trucks because of its superior performance over several competing engines. Nevertheless, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost and the 3.0-liter EcoBoost are 2 more engine options available for the Ranger. Although both engines deliver respectable performance, their overall dependability and effect are inferior to those of the 2.3-liter EcoBoost. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. Because of its dependability, the Toyota Tacoma has long been considered a frontrunner in the mid-size pickup truck market. The Tacoma, which is renowned for its simple and robust architecture, has historically performed better as an all-arounder with versatility than as a heavy-duty industrial vehicle. A 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which replaces the previous V6 and normally aspirated inline-4 choices, marks a modest departure from this strategy in the most recent model. The Tacoma is still among the most dependable pickup trucks in its class in spite of this modification. Additionally, it is one of the few mid-size pickups that is offered in the United States as a hybrid, which is a highly recommended option. The hybrid technology greatly increases fuel economy while lessening engine strain when driving in urban areas. Although the Tacoma is a reliable vehicle, its towing capacity is limited to 6,000 pounds for the hybrid and 6,500 pounds for the non-hybrid variant. This places it ahead of rivals like the Honda Ridgeline, which is unibody, but it still lags behind a lot of other cars in its class. Additionally, the switch from leaf springs to coil springs prioritizes comfort and daily use above robust functioning. All things considered, the Toyota Tacoma is a great option for anyone looking for a dependable and useful mid-size truck without the requirement for full-size cargo or towing capacity. Number 4. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline is more of an SUV with a truck bed than a conventional workhorse pickup truck. Because of its well-designed powertrain, it stands out for its remarkable durability even though it may not be the most useful vehicle in terms of sheer usefulness. Its fundamental component is a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, which is among the last in the mid-size class. This engine, which produces 280 horsepower and 262 pound-foot of torque, is renowned for its smooth operation, which is a feature of Honda's V6 designs. In addition, compared to more intricate engine designs, its single overhead camshaft layout guarantees simplicity, longevity, and less mechanical strain. Despite not being designed for heavy-duty jobs, the Ridgeline has respectable capabilities, such as a 5.5-foot truck bed that is useful and a 5,000-pound towing capacity. The Ridgeline is a solid and sensible option for anyone looking for a car that is comfortable, adaptable, and has some extra features. Number 3. Hyundai Santa Cruz. A compact and reasonably priced substitute for conventional mid-size pickups like the Honda Ridgeline is the Hyundai Santa Cruz. The Santa Cruz offers remarkable performance in a more compact and affordable vehicle, matching the Ridgeline with a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, while having less powerful engine options. With Hyundai's industry-leading warranty program, which is only matched by Toyota, the offered 2.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine has shown to be incredibly reliable. Compared to the Ridgeline's normally aspirated V6, the turbocharged engine is more complicated, but it is still reliable. The standard 2.5-litre, naturally aspirated inline-4 is a good option for consumers looking for simplicity because it can pull 3,000 pounds while still being useful and easy to maintain. Even though the Ford Maverick is sometimes seen as a rival in the small truck market, the Santa Cruz is a more reliable option due to its persistent mechanical issues. The Santa Cruz is an appealing choice for anyone seeking a small and powerful vehicle because of its adaptability, robust warranty, and affordable price. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. GM's dedication to conventional powertrains is demonstrated by the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, which distinguish themselves by only providing normally aspirated V8 engines and not adopting turbocharged substitutes. Both of these sibling full-size pickups prioritize simplicity and longevity, offering a choice between two V8 alternatives. With 355 horsepower and 383 pound-foot of torque, the available 5.3-litre Ecotec V8 provides more than enough power for the majority of jobs. The 6.2-litre V8 boosts output to 420 horsepower and 460 pound-foot of torque, making it perfect for heavy workloads for people who want more power. The V8 choices are the more dependable alternative because the standard 2.7-litre inline-4 engine is more suited to smaller vehicles like the Chevrolet Colorado or GMC Canyon and may feel overloaded in a vehicle of this size. These V8 engines are on par with some of the finest in the class in terms of overall dependability. The Silverado and Sierra have an advantage in terms of long-term dependability since GM chose not to provide smaller turbocharged versions even if they are not as sophisticated as Ford's Coyote V8 in the F150. These vehicles continue to be formidable competitors in the full-size pickup market thanks to their emphasis on durable engineering and simplicity. Number 1. Nissan Frontier. In terms of dependability, the Nissan Frontier has become a strong challenger, which represents a major shift for the company. It distinguishes itself as a reliable and well-rounded choice, especially in contrast to rivals like as the Ford Ranger. The 3.8-litre naturally aspirated V6 engine that powers the Frontier alone generates more than 300 horsepower and has a 7,200-pound towing capability. This number is remarkable and satisfies the demands of the majority of mid-size truck purchasers, even though it isn't the highest in its class. Nissan emphasizes dependability and conventional engineering by limiting its powerplant options to the V6. Its design, which has a boxy appearance and an interior with a functional vintage arrangement, supports this idea. The simple design and ergonomic features appeal to people who seek durability and simplicity in a vehicle, even if they are not as cutting-edge or technologically advanced as some competitors. The Nissan Frontier is a great option that meets all requirements for those looking for a dependable, competent, and conventional mid-size truck. Thanks for watching and see you next time.